Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Kia Sorento 2021 to 2023? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your SUV's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2021 to 2023 Kia Sorento houses and protects fuses and relays that control critical systems such as the engine, headlights, ABS, and cooling fans. A labeled diagram on the fuse box cover provides a clear layout, making it easy to identify and replace fuses for proper maintenance and reliable vehicle operation. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2021 to 2023 Kia Sorento protects fuses for interior and convenience systems, including the infotainment unit, power outlets, windows, and cabin lighting. It is positioned for easy driver access and comes with a labeled cover diagram to help quickly identify and replace fuses when needed. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.